Welcome back, awesome friends! Quiz Sloth is here to bring you even more fun and excitement. Today, join our lovable buddy Flash for an action-packed challenge in Choose Your Gift, pink, blue, or gold. With 60 fantastic choices, you'll have just 8 seconds to pick, so get ready for a burst of excitement. As a big thank you for all your wonderful comments, we're thrilled to host a special giveaway for some lucky viewers whose thoughts were highlighted in today's video. Keep joining in on our quizzes for your chance to be featured in future videos and win amazing rewards. So why wait? Tap that subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay in the loop on all our thrilling content. And now, let's jump right into today's game. Choose your gift, pink, blue, or gold. Pick a box and discover the surprise inside. Pick a present and see what special surprise is inside. Select a package and discover what's inside. Hold on, there are plenty of surprises left to uncover. Pick your gift. Choose a surprise and see what you get. Get ready to select the gift you want most. Choose your gift, pink, blue, or gold. Choose your challenge. If you choose the pink gift, go ahead and comment your birthday below. We'd love to know when to celebrate with you. If the blue gift catches your eye, tell us your favorite color in the comments. And if the gold gift is your pick, let us know your all-time favorite movie. We can't wait to hear about the films you love the most. It's time to make your choice. Will you go for pink, blue, or gold? Pick your favorite and reveal the hidden surprise. Keep your eyes on the screen. Surprises are on their way. Choose your treat. Choose your gift, pink, blue, or gold. Select your gift. Decide now, which gift will you choose? Can't decide which one to pick? Choose your gift, pink, blue, or gold. Select one option and find out what's in store for you. Do you feel lucky today? Make your choice, pink, blue, or gold. What's your pick? Choose your gift, pink, blue, or gold. Pick one and let's find out. Finding it difficult to choose? The fun isn't over. Make your choice and see what's next. You're doing great. Keep going. Choose your gift, pink, blue, or gold. Pick one and see what happens. Don't go anywhere. There are surprises around the corner. Choose your prize. May good things come your way. Choose now. Awesome job! Keep pushing forward. Choose your gift: pink, blue, or gold. Is it challenging to make a decision? Way to go! Keep up the awesome effort! Choose your gift: pink, blue, or gold. Are you confident in your choice? Select one and see. I wish you all the best things, buddy. Choose your gift: pink, blue, or gold. Go ahead and pick one. Ready to continue? Choose another gift. Choose your gift: pink, blue, or gold. What gift box did you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Make your choice and discover more. Choose your gift: pink, blue, or gold. Which colors are you most excited to see? Choose your gift: pink, blue, or gold. Which one feels just right for you? Choose your gift, pink, blue, or gold. Which one do you think is the right choice for you? Who's ready to dive into gift number 56? Choose your gift, pink, blue, or gold. Which color are you most excited to reveal? Choose your gift, pink, blue, or gold. Thanks for joining today's challenge. Which gift caught your eye? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to stay in the loop for our future quizzes. Now pick your next quiz and have fun. See you in the next one.